Tell me what you want, what you need. Tell me, tell me, tell me. Tell me what you want, what you need. Tell me, tell me, tell me. Tell me what you want, what you need. Tell me, tell me, tell me. Tell me what you want, what you need. Tell me, tell me, tell me.
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. Run away, I don't have to plan it. I can go, change my fate, you won't understand it. All alone, that's okay, people I can't stand them. They don't want me to change, keep me where I'm standing. And I don't wanna be where I am, and I want something more, take a chance. It could be possibly my last dance, my last dance. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Samanita and this is my channel Makeup and Beauty. So in today's video I'm going to do review and swatches of extended shade range all from Sugar Cosmetics, and it is their Nothing Else Matter long wear lipstick. Now Sugar have already 10 beautiful shades in this range, and recently they have added 10 new shades in the same range, among which I am going to review and swatch 4 of them. If you want to know more details about this lipstick, then head over to my first video where I have swatched the first 10 shades in this Nothing Else Matter long wear lipstick. But for today I am just summing up the entire lipstick review because I have already reviewed a detailed video and I don't want to talk too much in this video. So yes, let's start first with the packaging. As usual, the lipstick comes up in this kind of usual carton box. The carton box have the abstract design, which is actually signature design of Sugar Cosmetics, and the lipstick itself comes up in this kind of square kind of packaging. Like you can see, it comes up in the black matte case. Let me show you the bullet. Like you can see, the bullet of the lipstick is little bit slanting, and this is how the bullet look like. Now this kind of bullet is really good if you have broad lips, then it is really good to fill up and line up your lips. But if you have thin lips like me, then you might feel little bit problem while lining your lips, because this kind of slanting broad tip is little bit difficult for people who have very thin lips. So an additional lip liner is necessary if you want to get that perfect pout with this lipstick. So this is only one drawback that I feel like regarding this lipstick. It's just that it is a little bit difficult to line your lips, but definitely these lipsticks are very good to fill up your lips. And yes, at the bottom and at the cap of this lipstick you can see the name of this lipstick, for which it is very easy to pick up the lipstick from your stash. And packaging wise, I feel like these lipsticks actually take a very small space in your makeup stash. So packaging wise, these lipsticks are definitely cute and sturdy also. And yes, the cap of this lipstick fit like with a click sound, like so. So yes, the lipsticks are also travel friendly because the cap always secured tightly and you don't need to worry about that. And let me tell you one more thing, that this is actually one of my favorite range of lipstick from Sugar Cosmetics. This lipstick, first of all, is really affordable. These are actually priced rupees 4.99 each, and you are going to get 3.5 gram of product, which is actually little bit more than usual MAC full size lipstick. And you are getting this lipstick in rupees 4.99, which is definitely very affordable price nowadays, because nowadays drugstores are also expensive. So packaging wise, price wise, I really like this lipstick. Now coming to my experience, as I already shared in my first video, that these lipsticks are really matte in texture. The lipsticks are really good. I have 10 of all the shades from the previous launch in this range, and now I got 4 of them. And let me tell you that first of all, these lipsticks are matte in texture. They are super pigmented, like you can see in the swatches. 1 or 2 swipe and you are going to get opaque coverage. And yes, if you are going to do the technique of dab and apply, then this lipstick is going to stay forever, like throughout the day, until and unless you remove it. This lipsticks for 15 to 20 minutes remains like semi matte on your lips, but with time it gradually change into matte and slowly they become semi transfer proof. They do transfer a very slight on your cups and glasses, but they don't transfer like insane. So over in all, or in short, I would say that I would love to recommend these lipsticks to every matte lover who love matte lipstick, because first of all, the price of these lipsticks is really affordable. Secondly, the product quantity you are getting is little bit more than the usual MAC lipstick that you used to get. Thirdly, now it has 20 shades in this range, so definitely ek to banta hai. The fourth and the last thing I would say, that if you love semi matte kind of texture, then definitely go for this lipstick. These lipsticks are actually very comfort matte, for which dry lips people can also wear it without thinking twice that these lipsticks might dry up their lips more with time, because this is actually a very comfortable matte lipstick. So yeah, that's complete my today's short review over this Sugar Cosmetics Nothing Else Matter Long Wear lipstick. I hope you like this video and I hope you love these swatches. If you want to see all the 10 previous swatches, then head over to my description box where I have mentioned down the link of that video. And for now, I am signing off with a promise to be back in another video pretty soon. Until then, stay beautiful, stay stylish, and do give a try to these lipsticks.